I have come up with an interesting recipe to use the leftover dosa batter to make muffins. I have used the oats and urad dal dosa batter that is left over from the breakfast and added half cup of soaked oats to the same and blended it into a smooth paste as shown here. You can use your regular dosa batter as well that is made with rice. To that I am going to add half cup of all purpose flour or oats or whole wheat flour of your choice and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, salt as well. Now blend it again to a batter consistency like this. Add in some oil or melted butter at this stage and adjust the sweetness as per your taste. I have used sugar here. You can use cinnamon or vanilla extract and add milk to make the batter more pourable, and the consistency should be something like this. It should be scoopable. So pour it into the muffin cups, filling each cup to about 2/3. Make sure to give it some room to rise. Bake it at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, or it depends on your type of the oven that you have. Adjust the times accordingly. And there you go, we have made these interesting muffins, healthy version with the leftover any kind of dosa batter. It could be your regular rice urad dal dosa batter or the oats. They came out very soft and tasting yummy. This one in particular has the goodness of oats and lentils.